Okay, in this next video, I'm going to talk about the formulas that we're going to use with the cones. The first one is the lateral. The lateral is going to be the sides of any prism. In this case, it's a cone, so it's going to be that curved side. So the area of that curved side is going to be pi, which we already know what that is. We're familiar with that. R, that is the radius. And then the L, that's going to be the slant height. So you got pi, R is the radius, L is the slant height. And remember, the slant height is this side right here. That's my slant height. So L is my slant height. The second formula is for the total area. And basically on the total area, you're going to take the lateral area, then you're going to add it to the area of the base. Now, the lateral area, we got, that's right there. That's the formula for the lateral area, pi RL. We just went over that. The area of the base, now remember the base, right here, the base is a circle. Since the base is a circle, the area of the base is going to be the area of a circle. And that's that. Pi r squared is the area of a circle. So whenever you see the area of the base, that whole part is going to be capital B. Remember, it has to be uppercase B. That is area of the base. Now, the last thing is the volume of a cone. So the volume, I'm going to go ahead and write that in there. The volume of a cone is going to be the area of the base times the height divided by 3. So right here we have it 1/3. Capital B is the area of the base, which we have here, and 1/3 goes in front of that. So, or you could also see it like this. Those are the same thing. And those are the three formulas that we'll be using for cones.